Hey guys, Josh here at America's Motorsports, checking in with another custom build in our custom build series. Today I wanted to showcase the new CFMOTO U10 Pro XL, CFMOTO's flagship utility side-by-side. This has every feature you can imagine, from built-in phone connectivity, audio system, triple cylinder 1000cc engine, and more. So come with me, let's check it out. The first thing we did is back here on the rear of the machine. It's this tube rear bumper with built-in steps. As you can see, it gives you that extra protection and it's super rigid. That way you can hop up on here, get in the bed, and get some work done. Now up front, we did a front bumper as well. Gives you a little bit of reinforcement on the trail. As you can see, it's up out of the way of the tires. And it's got this awesome winch fair lead to keep your winch hook from going into the front bumper when you don't want it to. The next thing we did was add a Powerflip Windshield. That way you can keep yourself protected from bugs, sticks, and whatever else, or get that nice breeze running through your hair while you're out hitting the trails or getting that work done. We also equipped this one with an indicator system, but unlike other brands, you can see this one here is integrated on the steering column. Also gives you these nice lights to let you know which side is currently on, and a horn as well. And to round it all out, we added this awesome set of 15-inch Valor rims with the Valor Alpha H1 tire and a 32-inch setup, which makes this thing look like a mean son of a bitch. As you can see, there's many ways you can upgrade the U10 Pro XL. This is just how we decided to upgrade ours. But if this kind of content was what you guys like to see, make sure to like and subscribe, and also leave a comment on what you guys would like to see next. We'll see you guys later.